women telling a man's story, perfectly acceptable. अच्छी बनाई है ना फिल्म. क्या बात है, सब्सक्राइबर्स चैनल पे थोड़े से स्टॉल हो रहे हैं गाइज, तो प्लीज अगर हम सच्चे दोस्त हैं ये वीडियो शेयर करें, सारे नाते रिश्तेदारों को बोलें लाइक करने, सब्सक्राइब करवाएं. और कोई सहारा है नहीं लाइफ में. बिफोर वी स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट सूर्यराय पोट्टरू वंस मोर, आज का पौधा / आज का झाड़.
ये है मोतिया, इसे अरेबियन जैस्मिन भी बोलते हैं और इसमें व्हाइट कलर के फ्लावर्स आते हैं.
कितना पुराना होगा ये वाला प्लांट आपका?
ये मेरा होगा करीब 10 साल पुराना.
10 years?
Yes.
Wow. So this is my first Tamil film review wise. So upfront apologies for errors in pronunciation and cultural context. The title Suryarai Potturu translates to praise the brave, which is precisely the treatment writer-director Sudha Kungara and co-writer Shalini Usha Devi give to most on-screen characters in the story. Not just Nedumaran, which is played by Surya. Surya, by the way. Whew! Surya is Nedumaran, a man with truth and honesty in his heart who wants a better life, not just for himself and his family, but also for everyone who doesn't have the means to purchase luxury and an easy lifestyle. So he wants to start a low-budget airline with ticket prices as low as 1 rupee. And if we know anything about such ambitions in India, you know the hurdles he'll have to clear and the hoops he'll have to jump through. So you're expecting a show of predictable sarkari apathy, classist disdain, and fragile masculine egos which will stop Nedumaran's ascent. The film serves up all of this and yet manages to not be boring or predictable. And you know, part of that has to do with the sheer audacity of our protagonist's ambition. The story is based on the real life of G.R. Gopinath, who founded Air Deccan and did most of the things that you'll see in the film. But the character is not him. The character is supposed to be a composite of many stories of many people. So creative liberty यहाँ पे बहुत है. So be aware of that while you're watching. Now coming back to the title, okay, praise the brave. Like I said अभी, ये सिर्फ सूर्या के कैरेक्टर के लिए नहीं है. Most notable characters in this story are brave people. Starting with Nedumaran's parents, a school teacher and a simple homemaker mother who, while not the most connected individuals in the world, were brave in their own right. Then Maran's wife, Bommi, played by Aparna Balamurali. You know, the first time I felt seen in Indian cinema was Anjali in Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, pre-transformation Kajol, who didn't really give a crap. Even as a 10-year-old, I was like, yes, ये है representation. फिर करण जौहर ने बर्बादी कर दी थोड़ी उस कैरेक्टर के साथ. Second time, this is it. I'm not exaggerating, y'all. Aparna Balamurali plays Sundari / Bommi with a resilience I long to see in female characters on screen. इसलिए when women filmmakers write and make films, I dance. Bommi is braver than Maran. She takes a chance on him, knowing full well about his fanciful ideas. She gets him to become an equal partner in their relationship. She funds his life via a bakery she runs. मतलब आप देख रहे हो, here is a female character who runs a bakery, but she's not Zoe Deschanel from New Girl. She's the exact opposite of when men write manic pixie dream girl characters who does cute things like baking cupcakes. Bommi bakes cupcakes, runs a successful business and does sexy mating dances in the streets wearing saris and sunglasses with the man she loves with equal passion and fire. And she doesn't take anybody's crap, least of all Maran. Brave also are all the villagers who mortgage their lands for Maran when he's short of money. The act of flying is also an act of bravado because this is about 30 years ago when commercial flights for the common middle class women and men weren't practicable. Surya as Maran. He's a big enough movie star that his fame off screen and his stature very much threaten overshadowing anything he's a part of. Lekin it seems he's aware of this caveat and considers this a caveat and works extra hard to make sure that while the name Surya might bring people to the theaters to watch him or purchase Amazon Prime subscriptions en masse, once you're watching the movie, he's a hardworking part of the film. He's smaller than the landscape the director has edged out. This is something Akshay Kumar movies fail to achieve. With his latest, Lakshmi, he stands out in every frame because nothing except him was important to him or the director. Surya also works hard with the makeup and costume department, transforming into 3 different Marans at different stages of his life very, very convincingly. He's not afraid of enacting scenes where he is not the savior, where he's faltering and his wife and mother and others have had to come to his rescue. He's shown to be weak, vulnerable, flawed, and that in a leading man in a masala commercial Indian movie. Yes, the bar is low, but it is fan-fucking-tastic. so fresh. Sururai Potturu is a good time at the movies. It's easy, thoroughly enjoyable, good old-fashioned, entertaining storytelling with its heart and intentions in the right place. Director Sudha Kongara made 2016's Sala Khadus, which is her only other work I am familiar with. And like in that film, here too, she's very aware and cognizant of the world we inhabit, its rules, regulations, and unfair advantages and hurdles some people have and some just don't. This could be gender divide, class divide, caste divide, but a divide it is because no one checked the rule makers and they got away with it. With her writing, she might not actively be trying to right any wrongs, but she does very much want you to see and acknowledge we all might have the same moon, sun and gravity, but that's where equality in this world ends. This movie is so fun and engaging. I'm quite happy to overlook certain scenes where melodrama is slightly cringe level. A sequence at an airport, one death, the crying and wailing, they go on a minute too long but are reeled back in fatafat. Sururai Potturu is streaming on Amazon Prime Video. Check it out. Now for Relation Mein recommendation. Watch Sudha Kongara's Sala Khadus starring R. Madhavan and mixed martial artist and actor Ritika Singh. While the movie's title refers to Maddie's character, Ritika Singh's performance as a boxing trainee won her a National Award Special Mention and a Filmfare-based debut trophy. I do not know where Sala Khadus is playing online, I couldn't find it, but if you do watch. Subscribe to my GDAM channel. I've got a bunch of things coming up, I promise, worth your while.